Hi, welcome to another video of Codehunters. In this video, we will see how we can rename a folder in UiPath. So I have this folder named Documents and I want to rename it to Processed Documents using UiPath. So let's jump into UiPath. Here I have a blank project open. There are two ways we can rename a folder in UiPath. First is Invoke Method, another is Invoke Code. Let's see how we can use Invoke Method to rename a directory. So for that, let's drag and drop the Invoke Method activity. So in the target type, click on browse for types and search for file.io dot file system. So it will be microsoft.visualbasic.file.io dot file system. So if we check the official document here, we can see it is a file system class, and inside this we have a method rename a directory. This rename directory takes two parameters. So let's create two parameters for this. So the first, it will be in, and this will be the old directory name, which is the C user Sankit download packages and documents, and the next one will be the new directory to which we want to rename it. Let's call it processed documents and click OK. So now that's it, and let's go to our initial directory. It's now documents, and I will just run this process, and it should rename this documents into processed documents. Let's go back and OK. It's already renamed to processed documents. So this is how we can rename a directory using Invoke method. Now the another way is the Invoke Code. So let's delete this one and drag and drop the Invoke Code activity here. So before writing any code, let's go and type the edit argument, and let's create two arguments. First is the old directory name, and the name is process document. It's now become process document, so we'll take the complete thing and we'll give it as this. And another is new directory name, and let's give as now documents. So it will again rename it to documents. Now we'll click on the edit code and we'll type the code file.io dot file system dot rename directory. It takes two arguments. First is a directory, which is our old directory name, and the new directory is new directory name, and let's click on OK. So this is done and we are ready to run. So let's run this process, and it should now rename it to documents. It's done. So this is how you can rename a directory in UiPath. The text version of this video is also available in our blog. The link is in the description below. Hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.